We got a microphone here from FiFine. It's a FiFine H9. FiFine wanted me to test it out, tell you guys what I think about it. This video is not sponsored. No money will exchange in hands. Just give me a product, ask me to try it out, and I'm going to try it out and let you know what I think about it. When it comes to the microphone itself, with the unboxing experience, I would say that this experience, obviously it comes with a box. Within the box is also a manual. It comes with some cables, with the cable has some really nice adjustment volume as you like. It also comes with the microphone for those who don't have a microphone as well. So that's pretty good if you want to play Call of Duty or any of those games on your Xbox or PlayStation. It's pretty fine. If you want to play games on your PC and you need to talk to your friends, we got that covered. So it comes with also the headset itself. I got the white version. It also comes in the different colors if you want. So it comes in black. It also comes in pink. It also comes in the white one, which one I have. I chose the white one because it matches my setup really well. So that's the reason why I went with the white. So when it comes to the quality of the headset itself, and I think that it does feel premium for the fact that you are actually paying not a lot of money for this particular item. It's only $37. Compare that to something like an HyperX that costs over $100 when it comes to buying that on Amazon. So it does have a lot of soft cushioning. It's really soft in the cushioning. It has the soft headrest. It does have the ability to adjust the microphone as well, so you can bring it up, bring it down. That's really amazing, and I think that it does feel premium. For the price that you're paying for it, you're definitely getting what you are actually paying for. And it does fit really well when it comes to your ears. I've been using it for the last couple of days when it comes to playing games, and I feel like it just fits very well. You know what I mean? So for me personally, I have smaller heads. So the good thing about it is that you can adjust it for smaller heads, or you can make it longer for the bigger heads when it comes to the microphone. So it fits pretty good. So when it comes to the gaming experience, I personally mostly play games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla. That's one of my favorite games I've been playing recently. Haven't gotten around to playing Mirage yet, and then now the Shadow's coming out. But when it comes to Valhalla, I do find it a little bit loud when it comes to some of the environment sounds. And when you compare this microphone to something like, for example, the HyperX Quadcast S, which is the current microphone I use right now, that's a $120 microphone. A lot more money as you can think. But the HyperX does sound a little bit better, a little bit clearer. This microphone is pretty good, but I wouldn't say it's as good as the HyperX. But then again, the HyperX is 3 times the value of this headset itself. If I didn't have any money, if I was just starting out, I would definitely consider this headset because it gets the job done and it sounds pretty decent for what you're actually paying for the headset itself. So when it comes to my final thoughts on whether or not you should actually buy this headset, I would say it costs only 1/3 of the price of something like a HyperX, which one headset I'm comparing it to, and it looks very, very similar to the HyperX. Can't even lie. The audio quality is very decent. I think in comparison to the higher end headset, it's pretty good. I think it's reasonably set right in the middle. So you think about the cost, you're paying $37 for a decent headset. It's not too bad when you think about it in that grand scheme. I recommend it for casual gamers. So if you're a casual gamer, you're not really a serious gamer, you're not like, getting into, $10,000 tournaments or $100,000 tournaments, then this would be a great headset for you, especially if you're just starting out. There's no reason to spend like $120, $140, $200 on a headset when you can actually get a headset that works pretty well, that comes with a microphone for only $37. So I would definitely recommend it if you're thinking about a headset and you just want something to just basically get by. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. It was nice seeing you again. I know it's been a while since I've released a video on this channel, but I guess there'll be videos now and then. But this product as well, I really had to talk about it because it actually is pretty good. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Again, go ahead, pick it up. Use the link in the description. Use my affiliate link to help the channel. I mean, just help me out. Use the affiliate link below. Get your HyperX H9. It's a pretty good headset.